Cheers sofa is made from wood imported from South America. To preserve the environment, the wood used is eco-farmed and harvested on a circular cycle. All the wood has been through fumigation treatments to prevent insect damage. To prevent breaking or buckling, moisture content is kept between 8% to 12%. Meanwhile, the CNC automatic cutting system from Italy to increase productivity, lower consumer purchasing costs, and ensure the wood is precisely cut for longer use. We take extra care for the sofa joints, which is why we use specialized mortise and wooden notch structures. We also use eco-friendly U-nails, each one exactly 1 centimeter apart, which helps the sofa stand stronger and more durable. Test of to and fro dry rubbing 500 times and wet rubbing 200 times. A 48-hour yellowing resistance test of non-stop tanning at 50 degrees Celsius, a tear load test, and more. To avoid the human error from hand cutting, Cheers imported an advanced leather cutting computer system from Europe to achieve perfect cutting precision while lowering the purchasing cost for customers. We adopt stitching techniques with 4 different strength levels. This ensures that the finished product can meet various consumer needs while embodying refinement, beauty, and sturdiness. Cheers exclusively developed a breathable, high-tech fabric that addresses the needs of the modern consumer. The Cheers sofa's fabric has the texture and sheen of real leather. Its surface is delicate and smooth to the touch, making it an excellent choice for quality-conscious fashionistas. However, it also boasts a breathability rating of over 4,000 milliliters and 50,000 sheets of hides in stock. The warehouse was built specifically for Cheers leather quality assurance. Cheers handpicks premium hides from the US and Europe. Our premium leather has excellent softness and breathability. Each piece of leather passes 12 manual testing procedures to ensure high-grade quality. Water, stain, and dust resistance ensure the sofa is easy to care for, keeping it as good as new for longer periods of time.